Hello guys. Alright, I'll be showing you guys today how to make an Xbot in make.com. It's going to be really easy, really fast. I'm going to do a whole tutorial, show you how to do everything you need to do. Quick rundown though, I'll give you guys. So you're going to start with the RSS feed, which is basically just going to take the information. You're going to run it through these three scenarios, which I'll get into. It's going to go to a post extractor, which is going to take the post that's that the AI at least thinks is best for repurposing, and then it's going to put that into the post creator, which is a creative completion module as well. It's just going to expand upon that, make it your own, and then it's going to post it. So let's get into it. The first step you're going to want to do is hit create new scenario. We're going to name it X demo. Alright, and then right here you're going to want to come here and you're going to want to type in RSS retrieve feed items. Awesome. Now it's asking us for a URL. So what you're going to want to do now is you want to go to rss.app. Alright, so once you're in rss.app, you can make an account. They give you a trial, and then also you can, there you go, you can do up to 15 accounts, which is enough to get which is enough. Even after that 7-day period's over, I don't think it's that expensive. Yeah, it's $8. Alright, so once you're in here, you're going to want to do create new feed item. You're going to do X, and then you're going to want to find an account you want to copy. So let's go to X real quick. So we're going to do this guy. We're going to do EP. He's blown up for AI right now. So once you find the account you want to copy, you're just going to copy it. Go back into RSS. Paste the link here. Generate. Now you have this out here. So once you have this done, you're going to want to hit right here. It says save to my feeds. Just hit that. And this is the link we want, XML. So you're going to copy that link and come back to the scenario, and you're going to paste it right there. And then for maximum number of returned items, I think for the free version, the maximum you can do is 25. So we're just going to do 25 for now. So once that's done, you're going to want to do another app, text parser, HTML to text, that's what we want. Description. RSS description, right in here. You just click it, it'll open up. And then once you select RSS feed items, you're just going to hit text. That's all you want. Hit save. Boom. Voila. Then you're going to open it again, and you're going to go to tools. JSON. What you're going to want to do here is transform JSON. And then we're going to want to put the array. Awesome. Okay, now what we're going to want to do is do a OpenAI create a completion. What you do here is you're going to have the option to connect an OpenAI account. I'll leave the link down in the description, but this is what this looks like. It's just going to be an AI account or an OpenAI account. You just connect your debit card because it takes like 10 cents to run some of these operations. And then right here under API keys, you're going to get a pop-up. It's going to have all your API keys in here. So everything that you're using for whatever account, and if you need new, create new, that's all you got to do. So coming back, once you have that done and you have all that hooked up, you're going to want to do the 4.0 system. Let's do 4.0. It's the latest one. And then, I mean, granted, they have the preview. 4.5 is actually technically the newest one. And we're going to do add message. So once you're in here, you're going to want to do developer system. So once you have that, you can just pause this, copy this if you want. But all it says is you are a viral post extractor. We're basically instructing it that it's going to take the most viral content it can find that it thinks it will be the most viral. And then how we want to output it, which is only the text content, no links or unrelated elements, and then output in JSON format. Do not wrap your output in any other text, not even backticks. So once that's all written out, you're going to do a user message, and for the user message, you're going to want to do JSON string. And if you hover over it, once these scenarios get pretty big, you kind of lose track of stuff because you'll be pulling from tons of different places and it just gets confusing. So if you ever lose track of it, if you hover over, it just bounces around. That'll be good. We'll get into that later. Then for the max tokens, let's do 480, 1080, 8. Go to advanced settings, temperature. Since it doesn't, temperature basically is just how creative you want it to be. So 1 would be pretty creative, and then the lower you get, less, higher you get, more. So 1's like the medium. So we're just going to do 0.4. One last thing we're going to do here, we're going to, in response format, you're going to want to put JSON object, and you're going to want to parse JSON. And then open another one. This one will be our post creator. So do another create a completion module, hook that up. Once that's good, module, let's do 4.0. And then you're going to open up the first message, developer, text content. I'll give you guys time to copy this down too. Maintain a Spartan conversational tone of voice. Use less corporate jargon. Include acronyms such as LOL, LMAO, LFMAO, Rafal. That's, you don't need to put that in there. That's just what I did. And then this is for Twitter. Keep your responses 3 sentences maximum. Space out each sentence so it is easier to read and digest. Be offensive, controversial. This is hard. This is pretty vague. So just from past experience, it's not. This isn't really going to work at all. So maybe I'll just take that out. If you really want it to be controversial, it's kind of like the cringe. It's like half funny, but not really. It's like you can see like a seed of funny wanting to be there, but they just don't got it. Kind of what it does. Anyways, always output only lowercase letters. Do not be grammatically correct. I did this because I kind of didn't want people to know that it was an AI, even though they probably could figure it out pretty quick by now. All right, so once this is all written out, if you have this all copied, you're going to just go to user, and you're going to want to put the result from the post extractor in this one. Temperature, leave it at 1 because this one's creating, and save. For the next step, you're going to add an X formerly Twitter module. Just click that, and to hook this up, all you need is to have a Twitter account, log it in. It'll have an option for you to log in, and then you're going to want a X API, XAI API. So once you hook up the X formerly Twitter module, you're going to want to come to X or developer.x.com. And here you can make an account. It's free in the beginning. It can get pretty pricey on the later end. But for what we're doing, completely fine. Up to 100 posts is basically what you can do a month, and then it resets. So what you're going to do is you're going to create a project like I've done here, and then it will give you an option to generate a key. So I have these. So I have my bearer token, my access token and secret, and my API key and secret. So this is what I want for this. Once you enter that, it's going to bring up this pop-up window. You're going to hit yes, continue. It's going to have the account. This is my Twitter account. Hit authorize app. And then boom, you're done. So then in here, you're going to want to select the result from the most recent. So we want this one, so we want to hover over that. Result, bounces, save. Also, another good thing to do is to rename these. So this would be post extractor, post creator, just like I showed you in the beginning of the video. But yeah, that's it. So now we're going to hit run. You're going to hit run, and you're going to see it going through the 25 posts. It's going to go through the array, choose one, and then update here. If you go to profile, and then here we have it 50 seconds ago. Nah, you got it twisted, bruh. YouTube is being outpaced by short form content's snackable nature. Even a goldfish would think long vids are old school if Mao. Just saying, times are changing, and it's adapt or get left behind. So obviously there's some fine tweaking that can be done, but this is everything you need to do to start posting on Twitter automatically, generating content automatically. All of this is completely free. You don't have to do anything to really pay for it. And that's it. I hope you guys liked the video. Please leave a like. If you liked it, leave a dislike. If you disliked it, Yeah, I got more to come. Peace.